Hello and welcome to this quick Kloudio demonstration for our new ad hoc query feature to pull data directly from your Snowflake data warehouse into Google Sheets via Google Sheets. In the past, you've seen how using Kloudio Portal can help with pre-processing data and eliminate the need for data engineer to generate commonly used reports. But what if you already know or have the SQL query? Sure, you can go to the portal and create a report, but at Kloudio, our goal is to reduce friction and eliminate steps to get you the data you need to start making business decisions. That's why we've expanded our add-on with the ability to run ad hoc queries directly from Google Sheets. Let's take a look at setting it up. First, we need to connect to our Snowflake warehouse. In the Kloudio portal, come over to Connections. As you can see, I've already created some connections for both databases and applications. We'll come up here to New Connection, and then we'll scroll down until we get to Snowflake and click on Setup. We can now see the information that's needed to connect to Snowflake. It's important to note that you need to allow the IP addresses access on the port we want to use. I already have a Snowflake connection set up, so we'll go ahead and use that one. If we want, we can come over and share this connection. We can select Users, Team, or Email. And if desired, we can change the user permission as well. Right now, Karen can run or use the connection, but if we wanted to, we could allow her to edit. Once you have your connection set up, we simply go over to our spreadsheet. Now that we're in G Sheets, let's head over to the Kloudio add-on and select Ad Hoc Query. Let's build our query using the schema browser. First, we'll select a connection. Schema, Table, and the columns of interest and auto-generate the query. These queries can be saved as reports to run later and share with teammates. I'll call this one my quarterly actuals and then select the connection I'd like the query to use. It's important to note that by default, this will run in a new tab. One of the key benefits to the ad hoc query functionality is that it simplifies the whole process of bringing data into the sheet and not just from a single query, but you can run multiple queries against a single or multiple data sources. Let's add another query directly into the SQL editor this time for our quarterly plan. And again, I can save my report if desired. Once our report is saved, we can schedule automated refreshes, ensuring we always have the most up-to-date data, as well as share with other team members, providing a consistent single source of truth for our team. We can now format the sheet and begin inspecting data, creating pivot tables, or any other standard G Sheet operation. Sign up for your free plan to get started today.